So we've tried out the sound quality or the loudness on Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus. Now both devices have only one speaker down on the bottom, but you get the sound from the speaker on the bottom and you get the sound from the speaker that you use for phone calls. And we tried out the decibel meter, so regarding loudness, you get up to 83 decibels, which is pretty loud. The only device that was louder on my reviews was Galaxy S6 Edge, that went up to 86 decibels, but this device is now waterproof and that one wasn't. So with being waterproof, this is really extremely loud, and it's a great volume. Also, the sound is clean, the bass is loud and it's protruding enough, it's not cracking. I've heard better than this on smartphones, but still this speaker deserves a very high grade, and it's a pretty good speaker. It's a very high quality, but it's not the best I've heard. Thank you guys for watching. Hope I helped you with this video, and I'd love to see your comments below to see how well does your speaker perform. And you know, I love you to tell me what you expect from the speaker on the smartphone. Bye.